I'm back with another amazing recipe. It's my sister's birthday and I want to make something special for her. So I'll be making a triple layered vanilla and chocolate cake. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! First, we'll be making the vanilla cake, for which we'll take milk and we'll add in 2 teaspoons vinegar. Give it a mix. And now we'll put it aside and let it curdle for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll take a large bowl and I'll sift in the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda, and milk powder. And we'll give it a whisk. Now in another large bowl, I'll add in butter and sugar. And we'll beat it. Next, we'll add in the most important ingredient, vanilla. Now into this we'll add in the milk. And we'll mix it. Next, we'll add in the dry ingredients in batches. And mix it using a spatula. Once all the flour is mixed, we'll add in the second batch. Now I'll transfer the cake batter into a lined cake tin. You can go for any cake tin of your choice. I am going for the 6-inch tin. Give it a final tap. And now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Hear that? It is done. Now we'll be making the chocolate cake, for which I'll take milk and I'll add in curd. And I'll give it a whisk. Next, I'll add in baking powder and baking soda. Now I'll leave the milk for it to get frothy. Now I'll take a large bowl and I'll sift in my dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and coffee to enhance its flavor. Next goes in butter. Now we'll incorporate the butter into the flour using a beater with dough hooks until it reaches a sandy texture. Now I'll add in the milk into the flour mixture. I'll give it a final whisk before I pour it into my cake tin. Mixing it gets rid of all the lumps. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. Hear that? It is done. Ta-da! Next we'll be making ganache, for which we'll take a saucepan and we'll add in fresh cream. And we'll heat it. We'll also add in butter and condensed milk. Now that it is hot and the butter is all melted, we'll take it off the gas and we'll pour this mixture into chopped chocolate. We'll let it sit for 2 minutes and then we'll give it a mix. Yay, our ganache is ready. Now we'll cut our cakes into layers. Now we'll decorate our cake using our ganache. And now we'll decorate the cake using sprinkles. I'm using star-shaped sprinkles. Turned out very spongy and moist, and the layers between them look absolutely amazing. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!